Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 5.5 acres property consisting of two houses. It is located in Munro, St. Elizabeth. The main building has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. The master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets. There is also a kitchen, dining, living, office, gym, powder room, pantry, and a balcony that has a sea view of both Black River and the Treasure Beach. The main house on the property has a modern design and is surrounded by lush greenery, which contributes to the cool windy temperature of the environment. The community is a quiet, family-oriented area with close proximity to Munro High School. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 935,000 or Jamaican $143.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.